Volkswagen has confirmed the exciting return of the manual transmission option for the 2025 Jetta GLI, scheduled to debut on June 25. This announcement marks a significant milestone for enthusiasts who appreciate the tactile connection and engagement that a manual gearbox offers, reaffirming Volkswagen's commitment to driving pleasure and customer choice. The Jetta GLI, renowned for its blend of sporty performance and everyday usability, has long been a favorite among compact sedan enthusiasts. With the reintroduction of the manual transmission option, Volkswagen aims to cater to drivers who prioritize control and interaction with their vehicles, enhancing the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetta GLI is expected to retain its turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and efficiency suitable for both spirited driving and daily commuting. Paired with the manual transmission, enthusiasts can expect precise gear shifts and a direct connection to the engine's performance dynamics. The decision to offer a manual transmission option reflects Volkswagen's understanding of its customers' diverse preferences and the growing demand for driver-centric features in modern vehicles. While automatic transmissions have become increasingly popular for their convenience and efficiency, manual transmissions continue to resonate with driving purists and enthusiasts worldwide. Beyond its transmission options, the 2025 Jetta GLI is expected to feature updated styling cues and technological advancements to remain competitive in its segment. Interior enhancements, including premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and driver assistance technologies, ensure that the Jetta GLI delivers on both comfort and convenience. The reintroduction of the manual transmission in the Jetta GLI also aligns with Volkswagen's broader strategy to electrify its lineup while maintaining a focus on enhancing the driving experience across all models. By offering a manual transmission option, Volkswagen not only preserves a tradition cherished by enthusiasts but also underscores its commitment to providing vehicles that cater to diverse driving preferences. Anticipation is high among Volkswagen enthusiasts and automotive journalists alike, eager to experience the thrill and engagement that the manual transmission-equipped 2025 Jetta GLI promises to deliver. The debut on June 25 is expected to showcase Volkswagen's dedication to revitalizing its sporty sedan lineup with enhanced performance and driving dynamics. In conclusion, the confirmation of the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta GLI with a manual transmission option signifies a revival of driving enthusiasts' dreams, emphasizing Volkswagen's commitment to customer choice and driving pleasure. As automotive technology evolves, Volkswagen remains steadfast in its mission to offer vehicles that combine innovation with timeless driving appeal, ensuring that the Jetta GLI continues to be a benchmark in the compact sedan segment for years to come.